Welcome to Best Choice. The best 100% creatine is probably one of the most researched and effective supplements for enhancing athletic performance and muscle growth. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of creatine, exploring its benefits, how it works, and why it's a staple in many fitness enthusiasts' routines. We'll also examine the different forms of creatine available, helping you make an informed decision about which one is right for you. Number 5. Jacked Factory Creatine Monohydrate Powder. This is Jacked Factory's Creatine Monohydrate. It's a pure, unflavored powder designed to boost your workouts. It mixes easily with any liquid and can be combined with your favorite supplements. Creatine monohydrate is the gold standard, proven effective by countless studies. It's the most researched form of creatine, enhancing athletic performance, muscle building, and recovery. This is a must-have supplement. Supplementing with this product increases strength, power, and endurance. It also supports muscle growth for those engaged in demanding training. It's a versatile supplement for active individuals. This creatine powder is made from high-quality raw materials. It's rapidly absorbed and won't cause any gastrointestinal discomfort. You can trust this product. Jacked Factory products are manufactured under strict quality control standards. This ensures proper purity and potency. The formula is free of harsh chemicals, fillers, and artificial dyes. What we like. This product uses the gold standard creatine monohydrate, proven effective in numerous studies. It is designed to naturally increase muscle growth, making it a must-have for active individuals. If you are looking for a reliable creatine supplement that prioritizes purity and effectiveness, you should consider this one. What people say. Creatine is a great product for building muscle and strength. It mixes well with any liquid and has no taste. I have been taking this for a few weeks and have noticed a significant increase in my strength and endurance. Number 4. Cellucor Cor-Performance Creatine Monohydrate, 72 servings. This product supports memory, focus, and mental clarity. It fuels cellular energy, enhancing strength, endurance, and lean muscle growth for peak results. Independently tested to meet strict safety standards, it is free from banned substances. Athletes and health-conscious individuals trust it for clean supplementation. Daily use may help reduce mental fatigue and improve cognitive resilience. It can also accelerate muscle recovery after intense training sessions. The ultrafine powder improves solubility and uptake. This makes it ideal for stacking with pre-workout, BCAA, or protein shakes. With 0 calories and 0 caffeine, it's backed by decades of research. It safely and effectively supports brain health, workout performance, and overall wellness. What we like. This product not only enhances physical performance but also supports mental clarity and focus. It is independently tested and certified for purity and quality, ensuring you're getting a clean supplement. If you are looking for a creatine that supports both your mind and body, this is the one for you. What people say. 100% creatine monohydrate. Micronized creatine monohydrate powder. Mixes easily and has no taste. Number 3. Nutricost Micronized Creatine Monohydrate 500 Capsules. This is Nutricost's Micronized Creatine Monohydrate. It comes in a bottle with 500 capsules, providing 125 servings. It's designed to support your fitness goals. Each serving gives you a powerful 3,000 mg dose. This helps to boost your performance during workouts. It's a simple way to enhance your routine. Each capsule contains 750 mg of micronized creatine monohydrate. This makes it easy to take and ensures you get the right amount every time. It's convenient and effective. The formulation is kept simple for maximum effect. This means it focuses on what matters most, helping you achieve your best results. It's all about efficiency. It's non-GMO and gluten-free, so it fits well into various dietary plans. You can feel confident about what you're putting into your body. This product is made with your health in mind. It's manufactured in a GMP-compliant and FDA-registered facility. This ensures the highest standards of quality and safety. You can trust this product. What we like. This product offers a simple and effective formulation with a high serving count. It comes in convenient capsules, making it easy to incorporate into your routine. If you are looking for a convenient and easy-to-use creatine supplement, you should consider this. What people say. 100% creatine monohydrate. Micronized creatine monohydrate. Mixes easily. Number 2. Peach Perfect Creatine Blend for Women. This is a unique blend specifically formulated for women. It combines micronized creatine monohydrate, BCAAs, and collagen to support your fitness goals. This supplement is designed to help you achieve your best results. Peach Perfect supports muscle growth, especially in the glutes. The creatine monohydrate helps with muscle support, while the BCAAs aid in muscle recovery. It's a comprehensive formula for women's fitness needs. Enjoy the delicious pink lemonade flavor. It's easy to drink and mix as well, unlike some chalky powders. The micronized creatine monohydrate ensures a smooth, enjoyable experience. The micronized creatine monohydrate dissolves easily, reducing bloating. It's made with pure creatine that's 250% finer than traditional monohydrate. This helps you feel better and get better results. Studies show that creatine can increase strength and power. This allows you to lift heavier weights and push harder. The BCAAs help you recover quickly, so you can get back to your workouts. Peach Perfect is made with top-tier ingredients and manufactured in a certified facility. If you're not satisfied, they will help you. It's tested for purity and potency, ensuring you get a quality product. What we like. This product is specifically formulated for women, with added BCAAs and collagen for comprehensive support. The refreshing pink lemonade flavor makes it enjoyable to consume. If you like a creatine supplement tailored for women with added benefits and a great taste, you should consider this one. What people say. 100% creatine monohydrate. Micronized creatine monohydrate powder. Mixes easily and has no taste. Number 1. Sunwarrior Active Creatine, Muscle Building and Energy. This active creatine is designed to boost your focus and energy levels. It helps you build muscle and improve your overall performance. It's everything you need to take your workouts to the next level. Creatine provides a continuous supply of energy to your muscles. It aids in muscle repair and helps you grow stronger. You'll experience amplified strength and greater cognition. Research shows that supplementing with creatine can significantly improve your strength. It helps build muscle and provides the energy needed for a more intense workout. It's a key ingredient for anyone looking to improve their performance. Creatine is one of the best supplements for improving strength. It works by increasing your capacity to produce ATP energy. This will help you push harder and achieve your fitness goals. Sunwarrior prioritizes the cleanest, highest quality ingredients. It contains no synthetics, fillers, or animal products. The product undergoes rigorous testing to ensure its purity and safety. What we like. This product is designed to boost your focus, build muscles, and increase your energy levels. It is vegan and keto-friendly, catering to various dietary needs. If you are looking for a versatile creatine supplement that supports muscle building and recovery, you should consider this one. What people say. 100% creatine monohydrate. Micronized creatine monohydrate powder. Mixes easily in water or juice. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.